in this video, I'm going to show how to use IBM Quantum Computer to program. IBM Quantum Computer website is called IBM Quantum Experience. The website address is here, quantum-computing.ibm.com. Here, this is the web address, and you can create an account. After you create an account, you can log into your account. This is basically the dashboard is look like. Here it's going to show the result if you previously submit your program into the quantum computer, and then they are going to list it here. This is the interface to create your circuit. For example, you're dragging circuit, dragging CX. Also, you can modify this one. For example, you dragging into the qubit number 2, immediately tell you what is the result. Probability is 3 zeros equal to 50%, and if the 111 going to wrong. But in the real quantum computer, this is not exactly the 50-50. It's going to be has a certain. This is the interface to create your circuit. And also you can look at the code. Here, this is including the create 3 qubit circuit. And then this is Hadamard gate, CNON gate, CNON gate. The values for the documentation is here. Circuit composer, for example, circuit composer, this is the review. What is create your first circuit. For example, here dragging and this one, and you can make a measure. That is the similar to build your circuit in the red. All the documentations. Okay, and here this is an interface. You can also create a Jupyter notebook from here. You will see, okay, allow pop-up. You will see this is the Jupyter. It's the same as we installed in the red HPC, the similar interface. Okay, you can import and run your program, and also you can save it. After you create your circuit, you can make a measurement. If you want to run your job, you can run the setting. This is the hardware. You can select, if I select this one, you can, after you select this one, you can run your job into the queue. They are going to queue your job and waiting for the real hardware to run. After a while, the result came back. For example, previously I submitted job. At the real hardware, you see the 3 zeros going to 53%, and then 001, 3%, 3.5%, and 011 is going to 40%. The result going to be shown down here. Okay, if you create a circuit in our red cluster, if you want to run from there, you can go to your account. You need to copy this token, make a copy, and then paste it into your program in the red HPC. You can submit your job directly from there, get results from the real hardware, IBM hardware. Okay, this is the basically what is the IBM Quantum Computer Interface. You may familiar with this one to look at the documentations you can get from here. Okay, thank you very much.